Hello everyone, welcome to the level A1 breakthrough or beginner in Spanish. At the end of this level, the student will be able to understand and use familiar everyday expressions and very basic phrases aiming at the satisfactions of the needs of a concrete type, can introduce him or herself and others, and can ask and answer questions about personal details, such as where he or she lives, people he or she knows, and the things that he or she has. Can interact in a simple way in case the other person talks slowly and clearly and is prepared to help. This level is composed by 20 lessons, and you have to go through one by one in order to achieve your level A1. At the end of the level, you will find an assessment and you have to validate your knowledge in this level A1 in order to pass to the next level. And remember, you are not alone in this process. You will be following a very structured learning plan designed by experts, and also you will have my textbooks where you can find the homeworks and exercises you have to finish in order to achieve your competence and the learning of the Spanish. And if you have any question, don't hesitate and send me a message and I will come back to you within the next 24 hours. Remember, in order to master the Spanish, you need to master 4 skills. Number 1, listening. Number 2, speaking. Number 3, reading. And number 4, writing. In our lessons, you will be learning 10 words or phrases every single class, in order you can use in any situation. Thank you very much for joining us and welcome to the level A1. And remember, to learn Spanish has never been so easy with Coco Spanish. Bienvenido.